What if I told you that one AI tool can help you create income streams without hiring a team, renting an office, or working extra hours every day? This is not hype or fake promises. This is ChatGPT, and people all over the world are already using it to make real money online while most others are still unaware of its true potential. Right now, freelancers, creators, and business owners are using ChatGPT to finish work faster, take on more clients, and increase their earnings. The biggest advantage is speed. What once took hours now takes minutes, which means more output, more clients, and more money. If you know how to use this tool correctly, you are already ahead of the competition. ChatGPT can help you make money through content creation. You can use it to write YouTube scripts, Instagram captions, blog posts, ad copies, and product descriptions for clients. Even if you are not a professional writer, ChatGPT can help you deliver high-quality content. Many people are already offering these services on freelancing platforms and earning consistently. Another powerful way to earn is through freelancing and remote jobs. ChatGPT can help you write emails, proposals, resumes, and cover letters that actually get responses. It can also help you learn in-demand skills like copywriting, basic coding, digital marketing, and SEO. Instead of spending months learning, you can start practicing and earning while you learn. ChatGPT is also useful for business and side hustles. You can use it to generate business ideas, create marketing strategies, write sales scripts, and respond to customer messages professionally. Small business owners use ChatGPT as a virtual employee, saving money on hiring while still getting quality work done. For online entrepreneurs, ChatGPT can help you build digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, and scripts. You can create content faster, test ideas quickly, and launch products with minimal investment. This reduces risk and increases profit potential, especially for beginners. The truth is simple. AI will not take your job, but someone using AI will. ChatGPT does not replace effort, but it multiplies results. When you use it correctly, you work smarter, move faster, and earn more without burning out. If you want to make money online in the coming years, learning how to use ChatGPT is no longer optional. It is a necessity. Start now, experiment, and build skills while others are still scrolling. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more money-focused AI content, and comment money if you want a step-by-step guide on earning with ChatGPT.